City Wolverhampton Council has been granted permission by the High Court to apply for an injunction to protect the city's green spaces against unlawful traveller encampments. As the injunction being sought is against persons unknown, the court has given directions as to how the application is to be brought to the attention of those who may be affected by it, as the following video explains.
Unauthorised encampments cause massive disruption to the city of Wolverhampton. And of course it does cause disruption not only to our green spaces and parks, etc., but causes damage. There has been criminal damage where they've accessed various sites, and it does cause a detriment to residents who live nearby to those locations. We have to make a case, and we can't do it against a name because the travelling community simply won't give you their name. They won't even give the police the name. So in terms of the legal process, we have to list the cases against persons unknown. With the power of arrest, a police constable may arrest without a warrant on any person if he or she has reasonable cause to suspect that a person is in breach of the injunction, and bring that person before a relevant judge within 24 hours for the matter to be dealt with. Well, currently we have to go to the county courts before we can get permission to evict anyone. It is 2 hearings, and the hearings are a minimum of 3 days apart, so it can take up to a week and even longer for us to gain our court hearings and permission to evict. It costs hundreds of pounds minimum to clear up the area of whether those are bags of nappies or it's damage, and we have had criminal damage to gates and posts and security that we put in place. And of course it does take up several hours of our staff's time. It takes them away from valuable duties, and that time's costed. So yeah, it does cost us a lot of money. And then with the court appearances, they're not free. That also costs us several hundreds of pounds. With an injunction, we would have our sites and green spaces protected. We'd be able to serve the notice of eviction within a matter of hours. That would save us a lot of time and a lot of money. And of course, it's the residents' taxpayers' monies that we're talking about here. So it would be a huge saving, and it would be a lot more expedient for everyone, I believe. Anyone breaching the injunction by refusing to move could be imprisoned, face a fine, or have their belongings and/or property seized for contempt of court. We've been given permission to attend a High Court hearing. This will take place at the Crown Court in Birmingham. It's the Queen Elizabeth II Law Court. That's in Newton Street, Birmingham, B4 7NA. And if they could be there before 10:30 a.m. on Tuesday the 2nd of October 2018, of course they'll be able to attend the hearing. The application for the injunction will be heard by a judge of the High Court sitting at Birmingham Crown Court on the 2nd of October 2018 at 10:30 a.m, which will be at the Birmingham Crown Court, Queen Elizabeth II Law Courts, 1 Newton Street, Birmingham, B4 7NA. If you wish to contest the application and appear at the hearing to get your voice heard, you must file, deliver by post or email to the court, and serve to the council an acknowledgement of service by 4 p.m. on the 18th of September 2018. You are also encouraged to seek independent legal advice. Detailed information relating to the injunction application can be found on the council's website at www.wolverhampton.gov.uk/traveller injunction. A copy of the documentation filed at the court is retained at the council offices, and it is available for public inspection. Inspection of the documents can take place at the council's offices, that's the Civic Centre, Wolverhampton, by prior appointment only. To make an appointment to inspect the documents, please contact the Council's Public Protection Team and ask to speak to Sean Walker or Zoe Brennan. You can do this by calling 01902 554548 or ringing 01902 555 183. Alternatively, you can email environmentalhealth@wolverhampton.gov.uk. Well, you can also visit the Public Protection Team based at City of Wolverhampton Council. That's the Civic Centre, St Peter's Square, Wolverhampton, WV1 1RG.